Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create passport size photo in Microsoft Publisher. So get let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show create passport size photo. Now, firstly insert from picture. Now going to the insert menu option. Now select from a picture. Then select from picture. Now click for insert. Then passport size picture. Now click for a size option. Now click for a height and edit. Now take my close from lock accept ratio. Now click for OK. That's it. Finally, create passport size photo in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.